What's up guys, Gavin here, engineer for speed. Very beautiful but very hot day here in Pennsylvania. It's the 4th of July, America's 250th birthday. Let's go. So I hope y'all are enjoying your day. Hope you know spending some time with family and friends and cooking out, and that's what I'll be doing here later. We're gonna be cleaning up the 3-valve my 07 Mustang GT. Going to meet up with our friend Anthony. He has a Legend Lime Green. I believe it's a 2006 Mustang GT. It's got a Magnum supercharger on it, so that's pretty cool. We're gonna go do a video with him. Swing the camera around here. So here is the 07 GT I was talking about. We are going to be giving her a bath because she's dirty. I'm sure you can see it's all that brake dust there. Dang, birds can't leave you alone either, so you know we got that bird crap on the hood. Gotta
You serious?
clean that up. There's the old Paxton Novi 1200 supercharger. Right there, 1200 SL. Makes some cool noises.
Scoop.
So we're gonna be giving her a bath here, and you'll get a cool time lapse of me giving it a bath. So get back to you after I do that. Alright guys, it's later here. I got the car all washed up and we headed out here. So locally to us we have a place called Cadorus Park. It's a beautiful state park here. I'm at Smith Point Overlook here. I'll just turn around here and it's just absolutely beautiful. I got the car here. We're gonna be, my buddy's coming here. We'll be here in about 5 minutes, and we'll shoot some cool content and pictures, and it's pretty sick here. I'm gonna throw the camera around here and show you a better view. Alright guys, here is the view of the car with the river in the background. It's absolutely beautiful. No better day than to spend America's 250th birthday out here with the Mustang, enjoying it. Alright boys, I heard him coming from down the road. I heard that supercharger whine. Sounded pretty freaking nasty. We're gonna see he'll be coming up here momentarily.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, here he comes. That cool blower whine. Alright guys, I'm going through the editing here for the video, and I'm just throwing in a couple of the pictures we took from the shoot, so enjoy. All right, guys, this is Anthony's 3-valve. What year is it again?
05.
Okay, it's 05. I told you it was 06. It's 05. So he's got Magnumson, right?
Magnus, yeah.
So these aren't very common.
I had to rebuild the block inside of it, the cooling block.
Okay.
So it's got a bar and plate instead of the old school.
And what he's referring to is down in here under the blower itself.
BBK long tubes, BBK X pipe that's catted, full exhaust, battery relocation.
This is a poor side to try and show you the long tubes. There you go, right down there, guys. BBK. Got the Steeda strut bar. What kind of brake setup we have here?
GT500 control arms. Newer door panels out of a 14 with the premium ponies.
There's the newer door panels there that he's referring to. They look so much better than our generation door panels. Got the touchscreen radio. I got something very similar to that in mine.
It's the Amazon special.
The American flag, of course. Beautiful view.
Inky wheels. BMR suspension, all of it underneath the back end. Panel in the tail with the American flag pony. Apparently it's pretty rare. They don't even make them anymore.
So he's saying right here, this panel, they don't make them anymore, guys. There's the pony with the American flag. Very, very appropriate for America's 250th birthday today. All right, guys, we're going on a ride here in the car. Is that fairly normal in the third gear grind, or?
And it's been rebuilt, but it's right back to it.
TR 3650 problems, guys. That feels good and that sounds good. You don't have to have 1,000 horsepower, guys. As long as it sounds good and it's got a little bit of torque. A lot of fun. Alright guys, well, Mother Nature has decided that it's gonna rain on 4th of July evening, so there's going to be no fireworks tonight. I just wanted to wrap up the video because I was going to go film some fireworks to wrap up the end of the video here, but it's probably because I washed the car. I mean, as car guys, that's what happens when you wash your car. It rains. So there's my freshly washed car in the rain. So well, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Gonna be posting again here pretty consistently, and what better way than to start on the 4th of July. And we got some good content coming, so please stay tuned, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.